Welcome back, guys. So I hope all of you will be fine. This is again section 5.5 and we were discussing the pulse waveform operations. So this is question 31 and here we have to repeat problem 30 for the waveform in figure 5.622. okay, so what was basically the problem 30? In 30 we were given this output waveform, which is again here. We can see that this is the same waveform which is here, and we have some inputs which are applied here. We have obtained this output x, and on the basis of this x we will have to see that what will be the logic circuit, okay, which has been giving me this output for these inputs. okay, so for it I previously used a very important concept, and that is the sum of products rule, okay, or SOPs. So what do we have to find out here? In sum of product expression, we have to find out in the truth table what entries. The entries, the output for A, which is 1. okay, so therefore we have to identify the same inputs here for which the output is 1, and we can very easily see that this is the only instance at which the output is 1, because this is a level 1. For this we have to find out the inputs. okay, so what are the inputs here? This is 1, this is 0, this is 0, and this is what? This is A, B, C, and for it the output is x, and for it we can see that we have here 1, 0, 0, and for it the output is 1. okay, converting it to the SOP expression, what I will get here? I will get A, B complement, C complement, and that is what? That is the expression or the Boolean expression for the x. okay, so after finding it, we have to find out what? We have to find out the logic circuit. okay, so logic circuit here will be what? So let me apply it. So applying it, if we have three inputs A, B, C, so this is the first, this is second, this is third. The second is complemented, this is here, the third is also complemented, this is B complement, this is C complement, here we have A, and these three are applied to the AND circuit or the 3 input AND circuit. So here we will have this output, and here we can see that this is A, B complement, C complement, and this is x. okay, so very easily we have found out the output, which is x, and by following the procedures we can see that we have found out these things. okay, so what is basically the procedure what we have found out? So initially you have to see the waveforms and see that at which point we have got output equal to 1. okay, on the basis of it we have to find out the sum of the products from the word, from the truth table, and we can see that this is a truth table which has been mentioned here, and on the basis of the truth table we can see that we have found out the logic expression, and from the logical expression we have found out the logical circuit which has been mentioned here. okay, so this is what? This is x here. So I think all the steps are now covered, and you have understood all the underlying concepts, steps which I have followed here. So I think it's enough for today, and I will see you with some more interesting questions in our upcoming video. Thank you so much.